Okay, so let's first understand how human learn. Okay, that is important. If I show you how human learn, by example, discovering, by experience. Correct. So just like human learn a different way, you see, by example, by discovering, by experience, machine learning system also learn in different way. A student can learn by studying solved example. Scientist can learn by discovering hidden pattern. Child can learn through reward and mistakes. So machine learning follow the same idea. And that's why we divide machine learning into three major category, which is the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Okay, so each one solve different type of problem. Okay, so each solve different type of problem here. You see here, I mapped everything with the human example only, the unsupervised, and this is reinforcement. So you can map it, correct? By example, supervised learning. By discovering the patterns, unsupervised. By experience, correct? By trial, error, reward, and feedback, reinforcement learning. Correct? Cool. And let's move to the next part. So let's summarize again. So as we have discussed earlier, imagine I'm teaching a child how to identify animal. I show a picture and say this is a cat, then another picture, this is a dog, then another, this is a cat, and child will learn because I'm providing both the question and answer. This is exactly how supervised learning work. Correct. Now, if you talk about the another thing, correct, which is something related with the unsupervised learning here. Okay, so this is the unsupervised learning. And when I say unsupervised learning means that okay, this time I give the machine a million customer records, but I don't tell it anything. No label, no answer, no category, nothing. Okay, so the can machine still learn? Surprisingly, yes. Okay, so this is called unsupervised learning, and the model receive unlabeled data only in this. Okay, its job is to discover the hidden pattern and relationship on its own. We will not do anything here. Okay, and finally, if you see here, now let's talk about how human learn many things in life. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Nobody give you a correct data set. Nobody give you labels. Instead, you try, you make mistake, you adjust, you improve, and eventually you learn. Correct. So that is the idea of reinforcement learning. Model learn through reward and penalty. Good action receive reward. Bad action receive penalty. And over time, the system learn the best strategy.